Okay, good morning everyone. Today inshallah we are going to complete our unit 6, working in a team, lesson 3, satellite. Okay, today we have some information about TV. Okay, what does it TV means? TV means it's a piece of equipment. We use it to watch channels, programs, documentary, and so on. We have e-reading. Number the pictures in the correct orders. In the correct order. We have Saudi stars, science. We are going to read, then we are going to put these pictures in the correct orders. You can see the pictures. Okay, listen please. Satellite TV starts with the program. Some programs are filmed and recorded. They are made in a TV studio and are broadcast after they are filmed. Other programs like sports are usually live. Live programs are usually filmed where they take place and are not made in the studio. They are filmed and shown as they happen. The sound signals from the microphones and the video picture signals from the cameras are converted into radio waves and sent to a transmitter. Transmitter is a piece of equipment which sends radio signals into the atmosphere or into space. For ordinary TV, radio signals are sent to your home and are converted into pictures and sound by your TV. In satellite TV, radio signals are transmitted to a satellite 36,000 kilometers above the Earth. The satellite receives the radio signals and then transmit them again back to different location on Earth. When the radio signals return to Earth, they are picked up by the satellite receivers around metal dish, which converted the radio signals back to useful signals for your TV. Okay, girls. So as you can see, we have here pictures. We are going to number them. Okay, as you can see in picture D, we have live program. They filmed and show as they happen. Okay? In picture B, as we can see, here we have a camera and microphones. Pictures E, where we can see transmitted sending signals in the atmosphere. We can see microphones and camera. The sound signals from the cameras and microphones are converted into waves. You can see the waves in the picture. So the microphone and camera are sent signals to this converted into waves. Okay, what we can see in picture E, look at picture E. This is a transmitter. Okay, this is transmitters. We can see this is transmitter sending signals into the space. He's sending signals into the space. Okay, and in picture A, the signals are transmitted to satellite 36,000 kilometers above the Earth, then return them back. Okay. Last pictures we have here, picture C. The signals are picked up by a metal dish. You can see here a metal dish, and to be shown in your home or on your TV. Okay, so now we are going to number them number these pictures and check your answers, please. Okay. So we have here A with 4, B with 2, C with 5, D with 1, E with a 3. Okay. Speaking, B. Work in pairs, cover the text, talk about satellite TV. Okay? Please do it and according to the passage. Okay? C. We have reading vocabulary. Choose the best definition for these words in the text. Okay? We have number 1, a live program. What does it mean, live program? Number 2, filmed and recorded. 3, as they happen. 4, broadcast, a documentary film. 5, transmits radio signals. Number 6, satellite receives a signal. Now please choose A, B, or C. Choose the best definition for the word. Okay? So live program means happening now, made before, from TV studio, filmed and recorded, directed, photographed, and kept, recorded. So what does it recorded mean? Directed, photographed, or kept. As they happen, we have when, after, so. Broadcast documentary film, we have make, show, watch. Broadcast the documentary film. Transmits radio signals means causes, sends, or starts. Satellite receives signal. That means returns, use, or pick up. Okay? Here we have documentary and vocabulary. Number 1, a live program means what? Happening now. Okay? Live programs, that means it's happening now. Okay? Number 2, filmed and recorded, that means kept. Recorded means kept. Okay? As they happen means when, so A. Broadcast documentary film means show, B. Okay? Transmit radio signals, the answer will be sends, B. Satellite receives a signal, the correct answer is C, picks up. Okay? Okay, now we have D, language help. Read about questions and negative in the present simple passive. First, we are going to talk about passive voice. What does it mean, passive? Okay? First, passive is the opposite of the active voice. Okay? Passive is the opposite of the active voice. We have here active voice, we have here passive voice. We use passive voice when we don't know the subject. We use this passive voice when we don't know the subject or the subject is not important for us, okay? We don't know the subject or the subject is not important, okay? First, we have active voice. In active voice, the structure will be subject, verb, object, okay? In the passive voice, we will start with the object, okay? Then is or are, past participle verb, the third form of the verb. For example, in active voice, my mother cooks dinner. So subject, my mother, cooks verb, first form of the verb. Dinner is the object. But in the passive voice, we start with the object. So we have dinner is cooked. Cooked here is the past participle form of the verb, the third form of the verb, by my mother. Okay? So the subject here is not important, or maybe we don't know the subject. So we can say dinner is cooked. Okay? So this is the passive form. Okay, now we are going to make yes/no questions in the passive, present simple passive voice. Okay, how can we make yes/no questions with the simple passive or present simple passive? First, we start with the auxiliary verb are or is, then the object programs, filmed. Filmed here is the verb, past participle verb, the third form of the verb. Okay, so our program filmed in a studio. The sentence is program are filmed in a studio. Program are filmed in a studio. So when we want to make it yes/no questions, we start with the auxiliary verb are, then object programs, then the past participle form of the verb. Are programs filmed in a studio? Okay, the answer will be yes or no because it's yes/no questions. Okay, now let's move to WH questions. How can we form WH questions in the present simple passive? Remember, we have the verb as past participle. In passive, we use the past participle form of the verb, the third form of the verb. Okay? So, where are the programs made? So, first we have here WH where. We have where, what, when, why, who, how. Okay? So, we use one of the WH questions, auxiliary verb are or is. The program is the object, then the third form of the verb, made. Okay, where are the program made? So here where is asking for a place. We can say in the studio. Okay, we have now positive and negative tag questions. First, what does it mean, tag questions? Tag question is a small questions. We use it at the end of the sentence. If the sentence is positive, the tag question will be negative. If the sentence or the structure is negative, the tag question is positive. So we have here a positive sentence. This program is filmed here. The tag question will be isn't it, is not it, so it's negative. And we use the same luxury verb is. Okay? So this program is filmed here, isn't it? The answer will be, or will usually be, positive. Okay? Yes, it is. Okay? The second sentence or the second tag question we have here is negative. This program is not. This program is not. So is not here negative, isn't filmed here. The tag question will be positive. Is it? Okay? Because we have the structure or the sentence is negative, we have the tag question positive. Okay? And please notice that we have the third form of the verb, filmed. Okay? Because it's passive. The last part we have here is a negative. How can we make it negative? So we just add not to the helping verb or luxury verb. We have is here. So this program is, we add not, is not made in the studio. Number 2, this program are. So we add are to the luxury verb here is are not filmed live. Okay? So we're going to repeat it. So first we have yes, no questions. remember to add, to start with the luxury verb here, are or is, and remember to make the verb as past participle or third form of the verb. So our programs filmed in a studio. WH questions, we start with the WH, where, what, when, according to the sentence, then auxiliary verb are or is. The program made, and remember to make the verb past participle or third part of the verb. Positive and negative tag question. So remember, if the structure is positive, the tag question will be negative. If the structure is negative, the tag question will be positive. This program is filmed here, isn't it? So it's negative. And we use the same luxury verb is. This program isn't filmed, negative, so we add positive tag question, okay? Last one we have is negative. We add not to the luxury verb, here is. So this program is not. Made is the past participle, third form of the verb. Isn't made in a studio. These programs are not filmed alive. So are not. Here we add not to the helping verb or luxury verb are. So are not filmed. Clear? Now we have a grammar exercise. Make these sentences negative or questions in your notebook. Okay, we are going to read these sentences. Then we will make negative or questions. Make them negative or questions. Okay, the signal send from the transmit. Okay, the video signal convert radio signal. Use when. Number one, please make it yes, no question. Number two, WH, start with when. Number three, live match, not record in TV studio. Negative. We want to make this sentence negative. Ordinary TV broadcast all day. Not it. We will make tag question. Satellite receivers, not make it China, they, so we will make tag question. The radio signals convert back into pictures for TV. Tag question, we are going to use how. WH questions, we are going to use how. Okay, for example, number one, the signals send. We have send is the verb here. So the signal send from the transmit, yes, no questions. Remember to start with is or are, luxury verb, and make the verb the third form of the verb or the past participle. Make it past participle. Okay? So the past participle of verb send is sent. Okay? So we're going to use is. So is the signal send become sent from the transmitter. This is yes, no questions. Okay? So we are going to make the other sentences. Okay? Remember to correct the verb to past participle. Okay? Number two, the video signals convert radio signals. The video signals convert radio signals. So we're going to use when. When, okay? So we use when, then luxury verb or helping verb is. When is the video signals convert. Convert is the verb here. We need to make it in past participle. So converted into the radio signals, question mark. Okay. Number three, live match not record in TV studio. Negative. Okay, so we are going to add not to the helping verb here, is. So become what? Here we add, sorry, live match not record in TV studio. So we have to add not to the helping verb. So live match are, because match is plural, so we add are not recorded in TV studio. Okay? Number 4, ordinary TV broadcast all day all day, not it, tag question. So, ordinary TV is broadcasted all day. Isn't it? Okay. Number 5, satellite receivers not make in China they. Tag questions. So satellite receivers are not, okay? We have to make it negative because we have not here. So satellite receivers are not made. Made is the past participle form of verb make. Made in China. Are they positive? Remember, when the structure is negative, the tag question is positive. Okay? Number 6, how are the radio signals, we will read the sentence first. The radio signals convert back into pictures for TV. So we are going to use how. How are the radio signals converted? So remember, past participle. Converted back into pictures for TV. Okay? Okay. Next, we have exercise F, reading and speaking, work in pairs. So we have a program here. Ask and answer questions about the program. Okay? Look at this program here, match of the night. Okay? With Saif Salim and Mohsen Amin, Friday afternoon at 3 p.m. Repeated Saturday evening at 7 p.m. This program is brought to you by Saudi Sat Company. Okay? So, answer these questions, please. Number 1, what is program called? Is it recorded or is it shown live? Who is it presented by? What time is it first shown? When they is repeated? Who is the program made by? So, first questions, what is the program called? You can find the name here, Match of the Night. Is it recorded or is it shown live? As you can see here is live. Who is presented by? We have two names here, Saif Salim and Mohsen Amin. What time is it first shown? Yes, Friday afternoon at 3 p.m. What time is it first shown, sorry. What time is it repeated? At 7 p.m. Who is the program made by? By Saudi Sat Company. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.